The Zimbabwe Chamber of Informal Economy Associations, ZICHIA, in partnership with the Center for International Private Enterprise, CIPE, will host a series of nationwide town hall meetings from the 13th of June to the 22nd of June 2018.
Welcome to all our Gweruians this morning, our traders, our airtime vendors, our tuck shop owners. Are we ready for our voices to be heard this morning? May I get a shout from you this morning? Can I get a shout? This morning we are gathered here in Gweru in Mukoba, the heart of Zimbabwe, and we've got our aspiring candidates, the MPs, aspiring councillors for the city of Gweru, who are going to share with you their policies and their platforms to make you, informal sector, be recognized in the city of Gweru and the greater community at large. A special good morning to all our online viewers who are watching us right now through our provider, Sly Media TV. You can catch us on our Facebook page. Very good morning to you. I know you are geared and you want to know what Gweru has in store for us.
As Build Zimbabwe Alliance, we have a manifesto that we launched in January this year, and it is summarized in 10 points. And our 50th point reads, we will build a dynamic new economy from the bottom up and from the inside out by releasing the full potential of the informal sector, unleashing the creativity of indigenous innovators, and empowering women. So this is quite a lengthy point that we have there. But included in that point is things to do with social security. We have one of our policies that is named the Light the Way policy, where we are going to say all the women that will facilitate that you make a contribution towards your social security.